Alright, I got one that I think will work here. And again, a little bit of oil just so it doesn't eat itself on the way in. Alright, I think we're ready for the crossover tube now finally. Injectors are all in, wires are all back on. That one's been clamped, this one can't be until the other clamp goes on. So, crossover tube. Should be relatively clean. Okay, so that's on, that's on, that's on, that's on, this. Stick them out and around. But I'm not going to hook it on yet. Should probably do a fuel pressure leak test now before I go any further, otherwise I might have to be undoing a whole bunch of work again. So everything fuel wise is done up though, rail's good, crossover tube's good, tube's good, return's good, pressure regulator's good. So let's put some fuel pressure to this and see if we have any leaks, I guess. Yeah, what a sucker. God. That stupid return. God. So I gotta go find a better return tube O-ring and then we'll try again. Alright, we're going to put this thing together again and try it again. Don't see that making any difference, to be honest. Let's try the second one as well. Let's try this one, I guess, and see if it's any different as far as the fitment goes. Hell, let's put the third one on. No leakage allowed. seal. Need something bigger. Alright, if that doesn't seal, I don't know what will. Can't see that leaking now, but who knows, it probably still will. Let's try it. Yep, still leaking like a friggin' sieve. Unbelievable. So I finally got something that mostly works. It's still weeping slowly, so I'm gonna go ahead and get one of those metal return tubes ordered that comes with a proper new O-ring. I don't know how I lost the one that was supposed to be in there, but I've been fighting with that for the last 2 hours to try and get it to seal. And it's, for the most part, it's sealed now finally. So I'm just gonna put the rest of this junk on the top here back together, and then we can finally see if it'll run. I think that might be it finally. Now I gotta get our starter wire back here. Alright, well. I guess here goes nothing. Let's see if it runs. Alright. Should probably bump this bleeder. Alright. I can't think there anything else I've forgotten? Everything that I unplugged is plugged back in. All the injectors should be plugged in. Plug that back in. And let's see how many cylinders we get, I guess. Jeez, that's annoying. On 8 cylinders. we go, finally we got 8 cylinders instead of 4 cylinders. Seems to be running really well. Not quite as aggressive on the exhaust. And it should have more power than I could possibly ever use now. I am still going to replace that metal return pipe, so that'll be coming up shortly. There's some smoke coming out of it now. Of course, there's a lot of cylinders that didn't run for a long time. So yeah, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to GB Productions. And I'll catch you guys on the next one here, where we hopefully get that return tube replaced, and then we can actually start to do something with this truck. It'll be a little more reliable. Catch you guys on the next one.